Carbide burr die grinder tool bits, especially those made in the USA, are renowned for their durability, precision, and versatility. When it comes to pumpkin carving, these high-quality tools can elevate your creativity to a whole new level. Let's explore in detail how carbide burr die grinder tool bits can be used for silhouette carving, specifically for crafting intricate scenes like haunted houses, bats, or witches on the surface of your pumpkin. Silhouette carving is a technique that involves cutting out shapes or scenes on the pumpkin's outer shell, creating dramatic visuals when the pumpkin is illuminated from within. Traditional carving knives can sometimes struggle with the fine details and clean edges required for these designs. That's where our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits come in. Their robust construction and razor-sharp cutting edges make them ideal for working with the tough, fibrous flesh of pumpkins. Start by selecting a flat-end carbide burr. This type of bit is particularly well-suited for achieving straight lines and crisp, clean edges, essential for silhouette scenes that rely on sharp contrasts and defined borders. Begin your project by drawing or tracing your chosen design, perhaps a haunted house with jagged rooftops, swirling bats in flight, or the iconic silhouette of a witch riding her broomstick onto the pumpkin's surface. The flat-end burr allows you to follow these outlines with impressive accuracy, removing just the right amount of pumpkin flesh without causing the edges to fray or crumble. As you work, you'll notice that the carbide burr glides smoothly through the pumpkin's surface. Unlike traditional blades, which can catch or slip, the die grinder tool bit maintains a consistent cutting action. This means you can tackle fine details, like the intricate windows of a haunted house or the delicate wings of a bat, without worrying about accidental slips ruining your design. The resulting silhouettes are bold, striking, and professional-looking, turning your pumpkin into a true Halloween masterpiece. Carbide burr die grinder tool bits aren't just for cutting. They can also be used to create different textures and depths in your silhouette carvings. By varying the pressure and angle of the tool, you can achieve both shallow and deep cuts, adding dimension and interest to your scenes. For example, you might carve deeper areas to let more light shine through, creating a glowing effect behind a witch's cape or the looming towers of a haunted house. Meanwhile, lighter cuts can add subtle shading and texture, giving your design a sense of depth and realism that's hard to achieve with standard tools. Safety is always important when working with power tools. Our USA-made carbide burrs are designed with user comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic shapes that reduce hand fatigue and allow for precise control. Always secure your pumpkin on a sturdy surface, wear protective eyewear, and take your time as you carve. With a steady hand and the right tool, the possibilities for your Halloween pumpkin are limited only by your imagination. Whether you're a seasoned pumpkin artist or a Halloween enthusiast looking to try something new, our carbide burr die grinder tool bits can help you achieve show-stopping results. The durability and sharpness of these American-made tools mean you'll be able to use them year after year, not just for pumpkins, but for a variety of other craft and DIY projects as well. If you found these tips helpful and want to see more creative ideas using our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love hearing from our community, so be sure to leave your Halloween comments below. Tell us about your favorite pumpkin carving designs, share your own silhouette carving tips, or let us know what you'd like to see in future videos. Happy carving, and have a spooktacular Halloween!